Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you late on this Sunday afternoon with a special Cape Cod Weatherblast update. We have a major storm coming. We're going to talk about that in a second. First of all, weather forecast being brought to you by our good friends at the Maids of Cape Cod. They're local. They show up on time. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Call the Maids, the best in the business. 508-778-8768. Let's check out the weather headline. Major storm coming throughout much of New England, including in our own backyard. Now, we are talking about the storm starting out as snow and then going over to a mixture of snow, sleet, and rain here in the Cape, and potentially going back to all snow late Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. I'm also very concerned about coastal flooding at the time of high tides with the northeast wind, perhaps gusting 60 to 70 miles an hour. There's going to be numerous power outages as well. So let's set the stage for you as we look at the latest satellite loop. You see a swath of moisture coming down from the northern plain states. That's going to be merging with moisture coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, where showers and storms are now forming to form one impressive gale center east of Chesapeake Bay by late Tuesday and Tuesday night. So as we look at the European model, valid for 1 o'clock Tuesday afternoon, it actually is a tale of two storms. One storm is east of Chesapeake Bay. Another one is east of that out over the Gulf Stream. But these storms are going to merge into one. So as we show you the map, valid at 8 o'clock Tuesday night, you see one impressive gale center just to the south of Nantucket. And the storm in that position might bring enough mild ocean air so that the heavy wet snow may mix with sleet and rain for a while. But if that does happen, precipitation will go back to snow late Tuesday night as colder air is being drawn back down into the storm system. And by even at 1 o'clock Wednesday morning, the storm just east of Chatham bringing cold air down, causing precipitation to become mostly snow again with very strong north winds. And light snow will probably linger throughout much of Wednesday with a big upper air low pressure area hanging out over the Cape and through much of New England. How much snow are we going for? Well, the jackpot certainly from Plymouth to Providence to northeastern Connecticut, Worcester, Boston, the Merrimack Valley. We're looking at a solid 1 to 2 feet in those locales. Over the Cape and the islands, we're talking about 6 to 12 inches plus, with 6 inches plus in the islands of Nantucket and Martha's Vineyard. Forecast goes like this. Clear, very cold overnight with light winds, 5 to 14. 5-day forecast looks like this. Starting with tomorrow, early sun and high clouds creeping in. It'll be 35. Snow will break out very late tomorrow night. Snow heavy at times, snowing at the rate of 1 to 2 inches an hour here in the Cape Tuesday morning, but probably during the early afternoon hours, the snow is going to mix with sleet and rain. Temperatures rising up 34 to 38. Should go back to all snow late Tuesday night. Occasional snow on Wednesday. Windy. Temperatures falling back into the upper 20s with a very strong north wind. Thursday, partly sunny and cold, 35. And on Friday, sunny, it'll be in the upper 30s. More storminess possible next week. That's my forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for